So we'll start by multiplying these two binomials. So negative 5 times 4 will give us negative 20. And we have negative 3, that's minus 6, which is giving us negative 9. And c squared, because 5 minus 3 is 2. We can't have a negative exponent in the numerator. So we're going to have to bring this down. So negative 20 c squared over b to the 9th will be our final answer. So for b, we can divide both of these numbers by 5. That'll give us 7 over 5. b to the negative 8th. And c to the negative 4th. On the bottom we have b to the negative 3rd and c to the negative 9th. Okay, so once we subtract these exponents from each other, we'll get 7 c to the 5th and 5 b to the 5th. Be our final answer. Okay. So we have a whole fraction raised to the 1/3 power. So we're going to have 2 over 3. And the exponents will multiply by this exponent here. And we'll get b to the 3rd and c raised to the 5/3 power. And b to the negative 1 and c to 2 over 3. So once we subtract these exponents from each other, we'll have 2b to the 4th c over 3. Next we have two binomials again, but 125, this one is raised to a negative exponent, so that has to go on the bottom. Okay, so when we raise 125 to the 1/3, it'll be 5 over 5. And those two will eventually cancel out to just be x's. Okay, so we're going to have x over x, 3/4 here, and x to the 1/3 here, y to the negative 1/6, and y to the negative 1/6. The y's will cancel out, so we'll only have x to the 5/12. Alright, and the last one here, two binomials again, they're each raised to their own power. So we're going to get 8b to the negative 15th, c to the negative 6th, over 3b to the 4th, and c to the negative 6th. So once we subtract these again, we're going to have 8 to the negative 15th, b to the negative 15th, c to the negative 6th. And since this 3 was squared, we have 9b to the 8th and c to the 12th. Now that we can finally do all the subtractions, we'll end up with 8c to the 6th over 9b to the 23rd, which is our final answer.